Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for RV enthusiasts. The Camco Rhino Camper RV Sewer Hose Support Kit. If you're looking for the best sewer hose support on the market, you're in the right place. Let's get into why this product stands out from the rest. The Camco Rhino Sewer Hose Support Kit is designed to make your RVing experience cleaner and more convenient. It's engineered to handle up to 15 feet of sewer hose, providing stability and easy drainage even on uneven terrain. What I love about this product is its sturdy construction and thoughtful design, which ensures hassle-free setup and storage. This kit sets up in seconds with no assembly required, thanks to its nesting design. Each of the 5 support sections is durable yet lightweight, making it a breeze to handle during setup and storage. Whether you're parked on gravel or grass, the Rhino Sewer Hose Support Kit extends over uneven terrain to keep your hose in place. This feature alone makes it a game-changer for RVers who frequently encounter varying campsite conditions. It's compatible with all Camco RV sewer hose kits, including popular models like Rhino Flex and Revolution. Plus, it can accommodate other brands' sewer hoses up to 15 feet long with a 3-inch diameter, ensuring versatility for different setups. Made from durable materials, this support kit is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it stays in top condition trip after trip. To wrap it up, the Camco Rhino Camper RV Sewer Hose Support Kit is undoubtedly the best in its class. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just getting started, investing in quality accessories like this one can make a world of difference in your camping adventures. I highly recommend checking it out if you're looking to upgrade your RV setup. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Have questions or want to share your experience with this product? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy camping!